You curious about estate planning but don't know where to start? Well, stick around because we're going to guide you through everything you need to know. Hey folks, welcome to the first episode of Everything Estate Planning, our shiny new channel. And I'm Jim Emsley from ELM Legal Services. And I'm here to chat to you about the world of estate planning, something super important that is often put on the back burner. Now, whether you're looking to secure your future or make sure your loved ones are taken care of, you've come to the right place. The upcoming series is all about breaking down estate planning in easy to understand steps. So following on from today's introductory episode, we're going to kick things off by explaining what estate planning really is and why it's something everyone should think about. You'll see how estate planning helps you pass on your assets, take care of your family, minimize taxes, and even have a plan in place if you ever can't make decisions for yourself. We'll walk you through the essential tools like wills, powers of attorney, trusts, healthcare directives, beneficiary designations, and letters of intent, showing you how each one fits into a solid estate plan. But most importantly, we'll highlight why it's essential to start planning your estate now. We'll discuss the common pitfalls of putting off estate planning and provide practical tips on how to get started. Stay organised and keep your plans up to date as your life and the law changes. Ultimately, this series is designed to make the whole process less intimidating and to inspire you to get started on your own plan. So our goal is to provide you with clear, actionable information that empowers you to take control of your estate planning with confidence. We want to ensure that you're well prepared to make informed decisions to protect your interests and those of your loved ones. So whether you're just starting out or looking to update maybe an existing plan, stay tuned as we're going to guide you through the critical aspects of securing your legacy. When exploring the intricacies of a legal field such as estate planning, it's important to know that you're receiving advice from a reliable source. Knowing who is providing this information and why you can trust them helps establish a foundation of credibility and security. Now, with that in mind, you may be asking yourself, hey, who the heck's this guy? And why should I pay attention to anything he has to say? Well, let me introduce myself properly. My name is James, and that's James Emsley, but everyone knows me as Jim. Now, way back in the year of 2000, I started a company called ELM Legal Services, and we've been guiding people through the complexities of estate planning ever since. Now, over the years, we've had the opportunity to assist over 30,000 people across England and Wales, helping them organise their affairs from the comfort of their own home, whether it's drafting a will or setting up a trust. Our goal is to simplify the process, ensuring it is as stress-free as possible. We focused on being thorough and understanding so our clients can feel secure and at ease. We believe in keeping things straightforward and personal, cutting through the legal speak to offer clear advice. Whether we meet over Zoom or in a client's living room, our aim is to make the experience as clear and uncomplicated as possible. Our team is made up of dedicated professionals who are passionate about what they do. They strive not just to meet, but exceed standards, are committed, reflected in our accreditation by bodies like Investors in People and the Institute of Professional Will Writers. Now, thanks to the positive feedback we've received, we're encouraged that our approach is making a difference and hope this gives you the confidence and the guidance we provide. So, why a YouTube channel? Well, let's face it, estate planning can be overwhelming. We wanted to create a place where you could get clear, reliable information, just like you were chatting with a friend. Over the coming weeks, we're going to bring you several videos on topics that will help you secure your estate, and we'll continue to bring them monthly thereafter. Without further ado, let's take a glimpse of what we've got coming up for you in the coming weeks and months. Number one, in our next video, which is up here somewhere, we'll introduce you to estate planning. Now, this is the process of arranging the management and distribution of someone's estate during their life and after death. involving the preparation of documents to ensure assets are distributed according to your wishes and that provisions are made for potential incapacity. Essentially, everything you need to start thinking about today to secure your tomorrow. Our second video then is we'll dive into creating your last will and testament. Now that is the absolute cornerstone of any estate plan, allowing individuals to specify how their assets should be distributed upon their death. It can also appoint guardians for minor children and ensure that personal wishes are carried out. It's not as daunting as it sounds, I promise, and that's a good video to watch. Following on from that, we're going to cover lasting powers of attorney, which are LPAs. Now, these documents grant someone else the authority to act on your behalf in financial matters or matters of health and welfare. So if you become incapacitated, that's where they come into play. It ensures that your finances or health and welfare are managed according to your wishes when you're unable to do so yourself. Then number 4, we're going to explore trusts. Now, these versatile tools are used to manage both assets, both during a person's life and after their death. They help protect assets from potential third-party creditors, and they provide for minor children or dependents with special needs. And they can also offer some tax advantages. They also create privacy for your estate. Number 5 is healthcare directives. Now, a healthcare directive is also known as a living will, which specifies your wishes regarding medical treatment if you are unable to make decisions yourself. This can include instruction on life support and other critical medical decisions. Beneficiary designations. Now, these are often overlooked. Beneficiary designations are things like death in service policies and are crucial. They ensure these assets are transferred directly to the named beneficiaries upon death, bypassing the probate process, which can be very, very handy. We've got a video on letters of intent. This personal document provides specific instructions or wishes that aren't legally binding, but can guide your executor or personal representative in handling your estate according to your personal values or preferences. Then we have a big video about probate. Now that is the legal process, which is how a deceased person's will is validated and their assets are distributed. Their debts are settled under the supervision of a court through a grant of probate. We'll go through the process step by step to show you what happens when a will goes into effect after someone passes. And number 9, to conclude this initial series, we're going to cover how to properly sign and witness your will to make it legally binding. After all, there's no point in going through a whole effort to create a sensible estate plan if you just don't make it legally valid. So many times people do not sign their document. We've got plenty more lined up, but we'd really love to hear from you and your thoughts. So do you have a question or a topic you'd like me to talk about? Feel free to drop them in the comments. After all, we're all ears and we can't wait to hear what you'd like to learn about. So if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please give that like button a friendly handshake and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss anything. Tackling estate planning can seem tough, but we're here to help every step of the way. Whether it's your first, last will and testament, or you're deep into probate, we've got your back. Thanks so much for watching today. It's great to have you with us on this journey to make estate planning more straightforward. So join us next time as we explore the topic of estate planning, and remember, a little bit of planning now makes a big difference for tomorrow. Until next time, stay safe, stay informed, and stay tuned.